Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to change region in Disney Plus and understand how it actually works. First, Disney Plus does not provide a built-in option to manually change your region from settings because your region is automatically based on your current location and network. If you travel to another country where Disney Plus is available, the content library will change automatically when you log in from that region. Make sure your device location settings are correct and your account details are up to date so the platform can detect your region properly. Avoid using VPN or proxy services, as Disney Plus may block access or show errors if it detects unusual location activity. So, the only real way to change region is by physically being in a different supported country. And that's how region settings work on Disney Plus. Subscribe the channel for more videos.